Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to close PayPal account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application, or go to paypal.com as I did and go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So as you can see, we have the home, send, we have the wallet, activity, and help options. We have send and request and some other options here, as you can see underneath the send and request options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and close your PayPal account. So basically what you need to do is go to the top right corner, of course, and click on the settings option. When you click on the setting options, you'll have a lot of options here, as you can see. We have the account, security, data privacy, payments, notifications, and seller tools. What you of course guys need to do is go on the account tab. So out of all of these 6 tabs, you want to click on the first tab, which is the account tab. Scroll down and here you have the option. As you can see, you have the close your account option. Go and click on the close your account and your account will be of course permanently closed. So guys, that will be a reading for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.